Let's actually take a look at what are the desired or required skill sets for AI PM. Just want to make it clear, all the skill sets for traditional software product managers are still required for being an AI PM. These are user empathy, business sense, product design, technical depth. But additionally, to be a successful AI PM, you need additional skill sets. First of all, your AI ML technical foundations. This is besides the traditional software development technical foundations. Now you need to know what is AI, what are different types of models, how to build the models and their applications, how do you manage the model lifecycle, all things like that. And then the ML problem definition. So after defining your business problem, how do you actually translate that into a machine learning problem? And more importantly, do you even need machine learning to solve this problem? Do you just use the traditional way, or do you actually need machine learning? So that's something as a PM you need to decide. So you need to know how to do that. And third is about data. Do you understand data? Where to collect data? Because the data is a key part of any of the machine learning systems. Do you know how to come up with a successful data strategy? Things like, what are the data sources? How to collect the data? What type of data do you need to solve this exact machine learning problem? And how do you process data? And all the way to how do you visualize the data at the end, right? And then very importantly, how do you actually manage the machine learning lifecycle from starting from collecting data, as we just mentioned, to training a model, evaluating a model, deploying a model, and monitoring a model. And if the model performance degrades, how do you retrain a model with the fresh data? And the risk mitigation, your machine learning systems will make mistakes. That's just the nature of machine learning. When that happens, what do? Do you have a fallback plan? And also, risk management also applies to the project management side of AI product development. And because the AI product development life cycle is very iterative, is way more complicated compared to the traditional software development. So how do you manage that AI project efficiently? And explainability. Usually the traditional software is easy to explain because it's just followed by rules. But the AI products sometimes is treated as a black box. But a lot of times you need to explain your model behaviors, why your model is making this prediction. Especially when you apply AI in space like finance, and also when you apply this to safety or legal and law. So you have to explain your model performance. That's something as AI PM you need to understand how to do it. And lastly, responsible AI. How do you detect the bias in your system? How do you make sure it's actually fair to different user cohorts?